Good morning, students. In the previous class, we had discussed about past, present, future poem. I had explained you the poem. In this class, we will be discussing about the English workshop. Whatever is given, we are going to solve the exercise. Just see there, they have shown you 3 columns. There are 3 rows and we have to match them. It is match the following. I want you all to hold your textbook along with you when you are hearing this audio. So when you see in the textbook, you can see that in the poem we had seen that the past was a soft and mild autumn evening. And how was the past? A pleasant time which has ended. It was past and it has ended. So the first match is the past is a soft and mild autumn evening. In the third column, it is a pleasant time which has ended. Next one, the present hour. It is a green and flowery spray where a young bird sits. And in the third column, it is a time full of life in which you gather strength. Next, third one, the future. How is the future? The future is a sea beneath a cloudless sun. An exciting, thrilling time which has no end. That is infinity. An exciting, thrilling time which has no end. I want you all to solve this English workshop, whatever is given in this session. I want you all to write it in your notebook. Next one, find the meaning of the following words. Thee means you. Mournfully means sad. Spray means I had already said you. What is spray? I had sent you the meanings. So go through it. Spray means tiny water droplets or the shower of water. Mighty means big, large. Next, write the adjectives that are used to describe the following. Just go through the poem. The word which is given before the words which are given here, like evening. So before evening, which word is used? Autumn. So that is the adjective. So answer is autumn evening. You can write it as soft evening also. Next, spray. Which is the word which is given just before the spray? Flowery spray. That is the adjective. Third one, sea. What is given? Dazzling sea. So the adjectives are autumn evening, flowery spray, and dazzling sea. Next, fifth one, write one line about each of the following with the help of the poem. Wind in the autumn evening. So we have to write one line. You can write it in your own words, or you can write wind in the autumn evening is soft and mild. It is there in the poem itself. Wind in the autumn evening is soft and mild. That is the sentence. Next one, young bird on the spray. So young bird on the spray is gathering its power. That is the sentence. Young bird on the spray is gathering its power. Third one, the sea. The sea is mighty. You can write as the sea is mighty. Means it is big. Now let's go to this language study. So what is the simile they have given there? There are two things, simile and metaphor. Let us see what is a simile. A simile is an imaginative comparison of two different things which have something in common. A simile always includes the words as or like. The example is given to you all: as tall as a tree, as lovely as a flower. So what is a simile? We are just imagining and we are comparing something to the other thing. That is nothing but a simile. Like I am comparing milk to the color of ice, as white as ice, as bright as sun, as cool as ice. So here I am comparing something to another thing. So that is called as a simile. One thing I am comparing to the other thing. As green as, what can you say? As green as a tree, a leaf, or a chili, green chili, or as black as coal, as sweet as honey. There are many examples. I think you might have studied already all this. As bright as a star, as bright as the sun. You can write any other examples also. I hope what is simile is clear to you all. We are using the word as. I am comparing one thing to the another thing. That is simile. You can also say as black as hair, as black as blackboard, or just find it out, you'll get to know. Next one, what is a metaphor? So metaphor is an imaginative expression that refers to someone or something as another person or thing. It shows that the person or thing has some quality of that other person or thing. The words as or like are not used in a metaphor. Example, he is a gem of a person. Time is money. Books are our friends. The clouds are white sheep. If we had seen that in simile, we are comparing one thing to the another thing. But in metaphor, we are not comparing one thing to the another thing. We are just saying that some quality of this thing or the person is present in the another thing or the person. If I say that Raj looks like Raj looks like Samir, if I say, then this is not a metaphor because I am using the word like. In metaphor, as and like, this both the words are not going to come. I should not compare Raj to Samir. I can say as Raj is similar to Samir, means the qualities of Raj are matching with Samir. Some of the qualities of Raj are present in Samir, but I am not comparing both of them. I am just telling about their qualities. In metaphor, as and like word are not going to come. That is the difference between simile and metaphor. If I say old is gold, here I am not comparing old to gold. I am saying that whatever the old things are there, they are precious. They are just like gold. Find just similar words or some similar thoughts, you all will understand. Another example I can give you all is work is worship. I'm not comparing here. I'm just saying that whatever work you do, it is, we worship it, we pray. Next, again, I can say as all that shines is not diamond. that is also a metaphor. All that shines is not a diamond. I'm just saying that whatever looks bright, it is not diamond. I'm not comparing the thing to diamond. I'm not comparing the brightness to the diamond. So these are few examples which I am giving. Now they are saying as there are 3 metaphors in the poem. Can you find them? So let us see what thing they have compared. Just see there, they have compared this autumn evening. How is autumn evening? It is soft and mild. Autumn evening, soft and mild. This is the first metaphor. Second one, let's see which is going to be the next one. So the next one is a green and flowery spray. So how is the spray? It is green and flowery spray. This is the second one. Next, third one. How is the sea? The sea beneath a cloudless sun. So the third metaphor is sea beneath a cloudless sun. These are the 3 metaphors. I hope you all have understood this workshop. We have solved this workshop. Now I want you all to hear to this recording once again. If you have not understood, hear to it once again. Keep on hearing it until you understand, and then write all this in your notebook one time in cursive handwriting. Just do the homework. I hope it is clear to you all. In the next class, we'll be starting with the next lesson, which is odd one in.